Hello everyone, today I'm about to simply teach you how you can change your YouTube channel's password. So it is going to be a very simple and easy step-by-step tutorial, so feel free to watch the video to the end. And with that being said, let's get straight into the video. So first of all, simply go ahead into www.youtube.com. As you can see, I am on currently, and in order to change your YouTube password, on the top right you want to go ahead and click on your profile icon or your letter, which is going to be there if you haven't added any pictures or whatever there is. Go ahead and click on it, and finally click on manage your Google account. And finally on the left tab, as you can see, there are some menus right over here where you want to click on security. And if you scroll down a little bit, as you can see there is going to be a password tab, and if you click on the arrow right over here, it's going to tell you to enter your current password. And you want to go ahead and enter your new password and confirm the new password right over here, and click on change password, and your password should be changed. So if you thought this video was informational, feel free to hit that subscribe button, hit that like button, and thank you for watching.